Cynful au gratin potatoes. This was another of my Christmas sides. This is what you'll need to make it, and there is a link to a printable recipe in the video description. Now you're going to want to slice these potatoes 1/8 inch thick. I'm using a mandolin, and don't do what I'm doing here. If you use a mandolin, make sure you have cut safe gloves. Now we're going to go ahead and add the garlic broth to the pot and the potatoes and some butter. Hit pressure cook. Take the time all the way down to 0. That's right, I said 0. And hit start. Now while that's going on, we're going to go ahead and make the cheese sauce, starting out with the other half stick of butter. We're going to add flour to that, and we're going to whisk that in, and we're going to keep whisking that because we don't want that flour to burn. We're making a roux. So just kind of keep whisking, and then slowly add some more of the garlic broth. Whisking the whole time. You don't ever want to stop whisking on this. And then the milk and cream. Now I put the milk and cream in the same measuring cup, so it's just easier. The salt, pepper, and onion powder. We're going to stir that in. And we're going to start adding the cheese. Now this is the Gruyere, and we're going to add it slowly in small increments and continually stir it. It's going to get thicker and thicker. And then we're going to add some cheddar cheese because I want that nice yellow color. That's great for au gratin. See how thick that is? That's what we're looking for. Now the potatoes are done, so we're going to put just enough to cover the bottom of the pan that we've sprayed with butter spray, and then put a layer of potatoes on top. You just kind of want to lay them overlapping in the dish. Once you have one layer, we're going to add another layer of cheese sauce and repeat. And we're going to continue to repeat until we're almost out of cheese sauce, because we want to finish the top layer with the cheese sauce. And since I had just a little bit, I had to spread it around a little bit. But you want to cover those potatoes with that sauce. Now I threw some chives in the sauce as well. That's up to you. Cover with aluminum foil. And this will cook about 30 to 45 minutes, or until it's 165 in the center. And that's it. I put some cheese on top, put it back in the oven until the cheese browned, and that's what you got. I'd like to thank you for joining me today in my kitchen for this wonderful au gratin potato recipe. Please like and subscribe. It helps me get my recipes out to the world. It's so much help. And as always, have a blessed day.